So we've talked about 99 Designs and Fiverr and all sorts of other places to go and get outsourced work to help you build the best listing and help you with all the different parts of your Amazon business. Now, I want to mention this website. It's called Jungle Market. So it's a part of Jungle Scout, trusted company, and they have something kind of cool. It's just like Fiverr, but for Amazon specific things. So this is where you could go in the marketplace setting and see things that are very specific to Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that website, and who never knows, you might find something on there for you. So when going over here, just checking things out on the left-hand side, we've got photography, but then they have listing translation. So it could definitely be useful if you're expanding internationally or you're foreign and you want to get some extra help. They've got graphic design, digital marketing, all sorts of stuff. But one thing that I found that was pretty neat on the website was actually they have some 3D rendering and 360-degree video. So whenever you're wanting to get some of that more, in-depth rendered look, you can go ahead and find some people on here. And I even found one that was pretty neat where they had, doing an advanced prototype. I mean, that's $5,000 is, it's not cheap, definitely. But there's some cool things on here, and I've seen some people that I know that are consultants outside of here and on here. So definitely some good people on here. Now, I just want to say, I would suggest that you sort it by best selling up here, and then just take a look at the reviews and make sure that everything matches the price point, the listing, the story, their website, just all of it. Jungle Scout's a really trusted company, but you got to be careful with any platform. Even Amazon has fake reviews on there, so just make sure that everything matches and that it's a good fit and price point for you, and it could definitely be something that could help you out. Another neat thing that I found on here is that they have product design on here. So essentially you can get your packaging and labeling done and everything. They also got some, here's 360 video, and they have infographic product video. So yeah, so if you guys are interested, click down below and go check it out and see if there's a service that could help you guys out.